Hi, I'm Stuti Bansal and I've made a small game called Shape the Sticks. So, first of all, you need a few sticks. I made these with an activity kit called Melty Beads. It was really fun and it made this game more colorful. I also used an iron for the first time without my mom's assistance. I also made a few paper sticks because while making the Melty Bead sticks, I may have miscalculated the number of sticks I needed. You needed a dice and a paper and pen for the points. I made a small scoreboard here that says you and me. To start off the game, you should make a small square. This game is for 2 players or more. There are multiple ways you can play this game. Uh, it's without points or with points. After this, the first player, let's say I'm the first player, I roll the dice. I get a 4. I take 4 sticks and I need to make something in the middle. So, as I said, there are 2 ways you can play this game. To make it short, you can just end it when someone can't make something with their number of sticks. Or you could play it with points. So let's say I put 1 stick here, and the second stick here, and the third stick here. There is a rule that if you're putting more than 1 stick, they should be adjoining. I started from here, ended here. Then I started from here again. I started from here, not from here, but here. They should be adjoining. Now with this stick, I could do 2 things. One, I can make a line in between this to make 2 triangles. Do remember that the shape you make has to be a real shape, not some weird lines. So I could do this or this. I prefer to do this. So if I'm playing with points, I get 4 points for 4 lines. So I get 4 points. You could also play without points, as I told you. Then you roll the dice and you get a 6. So I only have 5 sticks as of now here. So I'm gonna roll again, but if you make more sticks, you could play with this. And in the real game, you cannot pass your turn just because you don't like the number or you don't have enough sticks. I got a 4. That means you got a 4. So I take 4 sticks and I could proceed to do the same, which I did here. I mean, you could. So let's just do that. But since I want to show you more numbers, I'm gonna roll again. And this time we got a 5. So how about you make another square with 3 of your sticks. So you get 3 points for that, and they're all adjoining. Since I want to make something adjoining here also, I make a diagonal here. I could make a diagonal here and proceed to make one here, but the point is they're not adjoining because this stick goes from here to here. I need something from here to make it adjoining. But if I put another diagonal, it will go from here to here. What I could have done was made a stick here because it will be adjoining. But the problem is there's already a stick here. So instead of doing that, I take all of my sticks again and put one here. I put one here and here. That makes it 3. And since I ended here, I can make a line here and a line here. It's adjoining, but at the same time, you used all 5 of your sticks. There is one more thing I could have done. I could have put this here because it was adjoining and here. This is wrong because there's also a rule that says the sticks only have to be on one side or in the middle. So this is one side, right, on the left of this square. Left for me, right for you, of the main square. So it has to be this squares, like it has to be here, here, or here, related to this square. You can't just take another side of the main square. I did the same for this. I didn't put another stick here, or even here at that time. So this means you get 5 points. Continue this and you'll have a short game or a long one if you play with points. So now the scoreboard is you get 5 points and I get 4. Another way to play in this points game is that if you can't make something with your sticks, you just pass it on, and at last the person who gets the most points wins. Or in a shorter version, as I already told you, if you can't make something with your sticks, the game ends and the other player wins. Thank you.